Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share my first-hand experience with a stunning upgrade for my bathroom. The 3-light bathroom vanity light fixture with brushed nickel finish. If you're looking for a quick and stylish way to enhance your space, this might just be it. I've added the link in the description box below if you want to get it. Now first off, let's talk about the design. The brushed nickel finish on this vanity light is not only stylish, but also rust-proof, making it perfect for humid environments like bathrooms and kitchens. No more worrying about moisture damage or frequent replacements. This fixture is built to last and looks beautiful for years to come. One of the things that sold me on this light fixture is its safety. It's certified meeting all the recognized product safety standards in the US. It's perfect for bathrooms, bedrooms, living rooms, or even as hallway lighting. The versatile design really adds a touch of sophistication to any interior space. Since my old light fixture looked outdated and had different panel shades from the last owner, I felt like it was time for an upgrade. So I wanted something that wouldn't go out of style for a long time, and this one matched my requirements. Now let's talk about the light itself. The milky white glass shades are fantastic. They provide a soft and diffused light that's easy on the eyes. It creates a comfortable and inviting atmosphere, making my bathroom feel like a mini spa. Plus, the white lampshades are super easy to clean with just a simple cloth, so they always look their best. This fixture uses 3 E26 base bulbs, which I had to buy separately. It gives me the flexibility to choose the color temperature and brightness level that suits my ambiance. You can get dimmable ones, but I personally got the 5 non-dimmable A19E26 LED bulbs, which creates a cozy atmosphere with soft, warm light with a color temperature of 2700 Kelvin. Installation for everything was a breeze. The package includes all the necessary mounting hardware, and you can install the lights in either an upward or downward position, depending on your preference. The open bottom design makes bulb changes effortless. Just a tip, wear gloves during installation to avoid any scratches, and make sure to turn off the light switch. I turned off the entire brick box just in case, and if you're unsure about the process, consulting a qualified electrician is always a good idea. I didn't need to use a drill since my wall already had existing holes, but I did use electrical tape and external light sources to cover the wires for extra safety. Two brains are better than one, so if you're new to installing any DIY project involving electricity, I'd recommend calling a friend to double check your work. Everything took less than an hour to complete. I am so happy with how this fixture has transformed my bathroom. It looks chic, functions perfectly, and adds a touch of luxury to my daily routine. It's starting to become one of my favorite places in my home, and I hope it becomes yours too. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more home improvement tips and product reviews. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if you've used this fixture in your home. Until next time, take care and happy decorating!